Hello guys, in this video we are going to cover exception handling in Python. So let's open Anaconda Navigator, launch Jupyter Notebook, then inside the desktop, Python, create new file, give it as a name, Python exception handling. Okay, so what is exception handling, or we can call it as a Python try except. The try block lets you test a block of code of error, and the expect block lets you handle the error. Then how to learn that? Suppose you have to write down something like this: try print x, try to print x. If something happen, then except print an exception occurred. If I write this and run this program, then we will get an exception occurred because we didn't declare the x value. Suppose we declare x is equal to something 5, and if I run this program, then I will get 5. So this is how try and except block will work. First of all, Python will try to print the x value, then they will get error. That's why except block will work, and in the except block we write down that exception is occur. So this is a simple exception handling. Now if you want specific exception handling, then you can try something like this. Suppose I'm writing try print y, declare y variable if possible, then use except, and inside the except use word name, that is name error. So print, that is variable y is not defined, and you can write down one more statement, that is except, then you have to print, that is something went wrong. So in this example we use one try method and multiple except methods. So run this program. So we will get variable y is not defined. So why we are getting error? Because we didn't declare the y variable. So this comes under the except, and they check the error is name error is not. If that error is true, then print the variable variable y is not defined. Then you can also use else statements in try catch block. How to write down? You have to write down try print wisdom sprouts, for example. Then after try use except, and you can write down something, you can write down something like this: something went wrong. And after that you can use else word, else print, and inside the print you can write down, that is nothing went wrong. If I run this program, then you will get try wisdom sprouts. That wisdom sprout will get print, and at the time of last they will execute the else statement. Suppose I am writing print y, so y is not declared here. If I run this program, then we will only get something went wrong. So this is how you can get the values from the Python. Now the next keyword is finally. So what is the use of finally keyword? Let's remove that. You can write down something like this: try, then print x value, except print something error, something went wrong, and last you can use finally keyword. So, and make sure you have to write down finally print the try except is finished. So if you run this program, you will get our print value, that is we earlier declare x value is equal to 5. Suppose I declare x like print e. If you run this, then you will get something went wrong, because this except will run, and at the last whether it is printed by a try method or whether it is printed by except method, the finally keyword will always run. So this is, guys, exception handling in Python. Stay tuned, click bell icon to get more updates, and subscribe our channel.